So I have to start it in
Ah,
part body,
part
right?
body. Yeah. New part. For avoiding this view, right, you have to. Okay, anyhow, you got it. Later, I will tell you.
Mhm. Okay.
Your
So
screen is
now
different from my
I have to
screen, no?
draw.
Hmm.
Yeah.
You can remove this grid option at the bottom. You will have one grid option
Mhm.
highlighted this side,
This way.
just near to. Yeah, correct.
Okay. So I'll get the dimensions here.
Hmm.
So I should pad it now, right?
Yeah.
It
Okay.
says the current invoke object is present in a body.
Okay. What you will do? Just to go to this edit or tools.
I got it, but still.
Before that, this view it's not look similar to my CATIA view, right?
Yeah.
For that, we can change it.
Okay. So should I pad
Tools.
it now or?
No problem. Just leave as it is. Tools.
Mm-hmm.
Options.
Options.
Somewhere you will find this. Go to general. Click on general
General.
on top. Yeah.
Display compatibility
P3. Just to
parameter.
change that user interface to P1. First one. First here.
Okay.
Restart the
CATIA
CATIA.
to
Yeah.
P.
Once again you can restart it.
Mm-hmm.
Give OK. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, and then close.
So now close and
Close the
open it
CATIA.
again.
Yeah. So now what you can do is insert. Here it is opened on assembly module.
Okay.
On the right side corner,
Uh-huh.
just click here. Okay, you don't have anything. Okay, better go with the file, that start file, whatever you went. No, that is correct only.
Okay.
Part design. Yes. Here
should
you
I enable
enable.
the
Yeah, correct. So this is what the correct domain. Hereafter, no need to change that settings. Like by default, once it is set, it will be okay.
Okay. Got it.
Yeah. Now that is what by default you have the access system, right?
Mm-hmm.
Create one more access system. Insert access system.
Yeah. System.
Here origin, right click, create point. Create point, first one.
Okay.
Give OK. It is related to coordinates. Give OK. Give OK.
Okay.
Yeah.
So there is a point here.
So you just expand this axis system left side on the tree. Axis system. So first one is your absolute axis. You can hide that one. So whatever you created, that is the second one.
Okay. Axis system 2.
Yeah. Axis system 2 is yours. So whatever the sketch related to, just hide the first one. That absolute, right click, hide you can do. Absolute axis system, right click, hide. So whatever you are going to draw right hereafter, it should be linked with this axis system.
Okay, axis system 2. Okay.
So now you can create that rectangular sketch. In this one, just go back, exit sketch.
Okay.
Just drop down that sketch palette. You have drop down option, no? In sketch. Whatever you have, drop down that next to that one arrow is there, no?
Should I? Okay.
So here you will have two profile. Like one is sketch with the positioning. So by default we need to give with the sketch with positioning only. Then only it will ask for the reference point.
Okay.
Click the plane where you want to draw. Click the plane, and then now this origin is highlighted. Just here. Next in that palette, here above that one. Correct. Whatever the one, just above that origin is there, no? Above one, that is orientation. Okay. Yeah. Below to that origin type. Implicit is there, no? Correct. Implicit, change it to projection point.
Okay.
So click the point one which is available under the part body. Click that, there itself you can find. Point one, give OK.
Okay.
So now you start doing it.
Okay, got it.
Exit. Okay. Now you can do the pad option.
So 50 mm.
Okay, fine.
Yeah.
Okay. So now you have to give some draft, right? Just select all the 4 edges. Go to draft option. In dress up feature, third one. All the side walls. That is not required. That face anyhow, one is bottom face and another one is a top face. So one side it will be at the bottom, right? No need to give the draft on this surface. Side walls.
Okay, side walls. Should I select all
the 4 side walls? Now you need to select the neutral.
Okay.
Neutral means from where the draft has to start. Select this one. Select this front face.
Okay.
This face. So just give the preview. Rotate and see sideways. See, now your draft is coming outside.
Yeah, so it has 5%.
So now if you want, you can reduce it. If you want to change the draft direction, just one arrow, yellow color, orange color